Okay, traders, this is Masood here from London. I'm gonna explain to you how I put my take profit levels, my TPs, when I take a trade, because this is, I'm afraid, the biggest problem of especially the new traders. They first of all don't know how to mark the take profit levels and how to put the take profit levels. So they just kind of you know try one way, and then if that doesn't work, then they try another work, and they just keep on trying and losing their trades. This is my own technique, traders, that I'm gonna tell you, and if you like it, you can copy that as well. I think this is the best one after years of hit and trial methods, and after trying so many things, I found out this technique is the best. uh, First of all, my request is to subscribe the channel if you haven't done that, to uh, you know uh, see easy to understand trading videos, because my mission is to make the trading so easy that a 12 years old child should be able to do trading easily. And also press the bell icon button, and press the like button as well if you like the video. Traders, usually new traders, they quickly find out where to put the stop loss, because it's on the other level of some support and resistance. But the problem becomes with the take profit levels. I mean, either they stick to 1 to 1 RR, or 1 to 2 RR, or 1 to 3 RR, and then they just no matter where the take profit should be, they don't see the previous level, and they just put that take profit level there, and then I get the feedback that, oh, I always put 1 to 2 RR, and lots of times my trade just reaches a little bit nearer to the TP, and then it reverses and hit my stop loss. So and also the problem is that most of the traders do the forex trading part time, so they don't have time to manage the trade. They can't monitor the trades always. And also, if even if after see the trade after 2 hours or 4 hours, then sometimes trade has gone near the TP and then returned and hit their stop loss, and they miss a lot of profit. So what I do, traders, is that I open 3 trades. I split my lot size. For example, according to my account size, I'm just giving this example. You can do that according to your lot size. For example, if I have to put a lot size of 0.20, right? If I have to use a lot size 0.20 for one trade, what I'll do is I'll split it into 3 lot sizes. So for example, if I have to take a buy trade from here, what I'll do is I'll enter my first trade here, and stop loss will be somewhere here. It's just an example. And I enter my trade here, and then you always look left, towards left, and find out the previous levels, and that gives you your indication to put the TP. So if you look at the left, the previous resistance level or support level, whatever it call it, it was this one. So what I do is I open my first trade. I put the lot size. I split the 0.20 lot size into 3 trades. The first one with the bigger lot size. For example, my first trade will be either 0.10 lot size or 0.12 lot size, right? So this trade will be, first trade will be 0.10 lot size, right? And my first TP will be 1 to 1 RR, right? So my first TP will be around this area, which is the immediate next level that the market created, right? So my first TP will be roughly, I mean, never put a TP that is less than one, that gives you less than 1-to-1 RR. Okay, that is not possible. Don't take that trade if you haven't got at least 1-to-1 RR. So my first, the big, with the biggest lot size, my TP will be 1-to-1 RR, because most of the times, even if your trade analysis go wrong, at least your 1-to-1 RR TP is usually hit. So that will be my TP for my first trade. Then I will open another trade with 0.06 lot size, a little bit smaller, and this is the next level that the market created when it was coming down. So my next TP will be here, whatever RR it, I have to see, always put the TPs according to the previous levels, so whatever RR it gives you, but it should be at least more than one, at least 1-to-1 RR, Okay, next point, 0.06, that's my second trade lot size, and this is the TP for that, whatever RR is 1-to-2 or 1-to-1.5. and then I will open another trade with 0.04 lot size, and that's the next level that market created. So my next TP will be here, final TP, that will be lot size 0.04. now this completes a 0.20 lot size that for example, if one can afford, you can adjust the lot sizes according to your own account size. So that's complete 0.20 lot size with the 3 trades. Now at least the 1-to-1 RR, my first TP is smaller, so there are more chances that it will hit the TP, and I will at least earn some profits. And then as soon as this TP is hit, I'll move my stop loss to the break even. Now my trade is score. Now my 2 trades are running. Now if my second TP also hits, that's fine, but if these 2 TPs doesn't hit, if it comes back to and hit my break even stop loss, I have earned some profit with this trade, and other 2 trades are closed with the break even, no profit no loss, so I have earned money. And even if you forget to move your stop loss to break even, and these 2 come back and hit your stop loss, you still your trade is closed on break even, because you have earned profit on 0.10, and these together they make it 0.10, they hit your stop loss, and at least you haven't lost anything in this trade. If your second TP is hit, then you move your stop loss to where your first TP was, and again, I mean, if your third TP is also hit, then you have earned the maximum amount of money in that. Now in this way, if you do that, what will happen is that most of the times you will earn money with your first trade, and also you will not if for example, if you are just stick to 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 RR, and sometimes you must have seen that a lot of trades move past this RR and go further, quite further away towards your side, and you miss all that move. So in this way you will also miss, you will not miss those trades that move to keep on moving towards your direction, and you have put 3, you will be able to earn a lot of money, because all your 3 TPs are hit. So I think this is the best way to put the TPs and mark your levels. And also you can you don't have to monitor your trades again and again. You can just put these 3 trades with their TPs, stop losses there, and then you are relaxed. You can get on with your life, do your job or whatever else you are doing, and you don't worry about what is happening with your trades, because otherwise, if there is only one trade open, then you will have to monitor the trade, look at your phone again and again, and then close whatever it's reached here. Now I don't know where it has reached, yeah, then you will close some part of it and then leave it running and blah blah blah. It's makes it all very complicated. So I think this is the best technique, and if you like it, please subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon, and also press the like button as well for the YouTube algorithms. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves.